Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it uses suction cups to attach itself to rocks? Meet the suckerfish. But here's the twist. It's not the suckers on its belly that are special. This incredible creature, also called a remora, has a unique, flattened suction cup organ on top of its head. It uses this modified dorsal fin to hitch a ride on larger marine animals like sharks and whales, getting free transport and leftover meals. They can even cling on tight when a shark is swimming at full speed. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts that'll make you say, "What?" Tomorrow's fact is about a plant that eats metal. Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it can't even tell if it's day or night? Meet the Blobeye prawnfish, living thousands of meters down where sunlight never reaches. Its eyes are so underdeveloped they might as well not exist. But here's the wild part. Because it lives in total darkness, its brain has adapted to process information from its other senses, making its sense of touch and smell hypersensitive. It's like living in a soundless, lightless world, but having superpowers of perception. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more insane facts every day. What other deep-sea mysteries should we uncover? Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it has a built-in antifreeze in its blood? Meet the Antarctic toothfish. Living in waters as cold as -1.9 degrees Celsius, these incredible fish should freeze solid. But their bodies produce special antifreeze proteins that bind to ice crystals, stopping them from growing and destroying cells. It's like having radiator fluid in their veins, preventing them from turning into fish cycles. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts every single day. Did you know there's a fish that can literally suck the eyes out of its prey? Meet the kangaroo, a tiny parasitic Amazonian catfish known for its horrifying feeding habits. This translucent fish, sometimes called the vampire fish, usually targets larger fish, swimming into their gill cavities and then extending a sharp spine to latch on. But here's the truly gruesome part. It uses its mouth to suck the blood and even eye fluids directly from its host. It's famously known for its ability to target and drain blood from the victim's eyeballs. Imagine that. Hit that like button if your jaw just dropped. And subscribe for more unbelievably wild facts every single day. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being eaten and then pooped out alive? Meet the Atlantic killifish. These incredible little fish have a bizarre survival strategy. If they get swallowed by a predator like a bird, they can actually survive the digestive tract, including the stomach acids. They slow their metabolism, enter a state of suspended animation, and then, well, they just come out the other end. And guess what? They can do it again. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button if you were surprised. And subscribe for more unbelievably wild animal facts. Tomorrow's fact is even weirder. Did you know there's a fish that uses its own feces to build a home? No, seriously. The sarcastic fringehead, a super aggressive deep-sea fish, collects discarded clamshells and then cements them together using a special mucus it produces, reinforced with its own waste. It creates a defensible, cozy hideout where it can ambush prey and protect itself. Talk about creative homeownership. Like and subscribe for more unbelievably wild facts that'll make you say, "Wait, what?" Tomorrow's fact is even crazier. Did you know there's a desert so dry, some spots haven't seen rain in over 400 years? That's right. The Atacama Desert in Chile, especially in its hyper-arid core, holds the record for one of the driest places on Earth. While some areas get a sprinkle every few decades, others have essentially been rain-free since the 1500s. To put that in perspective, humans have built entire civilizations, invented electricity, and even landed on the moon, all while some parts of this desert remained completely untouched by a single raindrop. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible facts daily. You won't believe what we uncover next. Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it has transparent teeth? Meet the Fangtooth fish. Living up to 16,000 feet deep, its teeth are so large they can't fit in its mouth. But here's the wild part. To avoid piercing its own brain when it closes its jaw, these monstrous fangs are completely see-through, almost like glass. This incredible adaptation helps them survive in the crushing darkness of the abyss. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending facts every single day. Did you know there's an animal that can replace its entire brain every year? That's right. The humble European common cuttlefish has this incredible ability. They live for only about 1 to 2 years, and each year, their complex brain tissue undergoes a rapid regeneration. It's like a yearly brain upgrade that allows them to maintain their advanced cognitive functions throughout their short lifespan. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably cool facts. Did you know there's an animal that literally has no butthole? Yep, you heard that right. The Planarian worm, a fascinating creature found in freshwater, has only one opening for both eating and expelling waste. It's called a gastrovascular cavity, and it means everything goes in and out the same way. Talk about efficiency. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably weird facts. Tomorrow's fact is even wilder. Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean that it actually melts if you bring it to the surface? Meet the Mariana snailfish, living over 8,000 meters deep in the Mariana Trench. The immense pressure gives it a gelatinous, soft body. These fish thrive in conditions that would crush any other creature. But if you bring them up even a few hundred meters, their unique proteins and membranes can't handle the reduced pressure. They literally disintegrate and melt before your eyes because their bodies are designed for extreme pressure. Mind-blowing, right? Don't miss out on more crazy facts. Hit that like button and subscribe for daily doses of wonder. Tomorrow's fact is even more bizarre. Did you know there's a fish so deep, it's subjected to pressure equivalent to 1,600 elephants standing on its head? Meet the Mariana snailfish, found in the deepest parts of the ocean trenches. What makes it mind-boggling is not just surviving this insane pressure, but thriving. Most fish would be crushed instantly, their proteins denaturing. But the Mariana snailfish has a unique biological antifreeze and a special, gelatinous body that protects its cells. It's like living in a perpetual squish zone. Yet it's the top predator down there. Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Tomorrow, we dive into a creature that can regrow its entire brain. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being eaten and pooped out by a predator? Meet the oriental weatherfish. These incredible little survivors can actually pass through the digestive system of fish-eating birds like ducks and still come out alive. Researchers fed them to ducks, and some of these fish survived the entire journey, emerging from the other end completely intact and ready to swim away. It's all thanks to their super tough outer skin and a unique ability to lower their metabolism, helping them endure the harsh conditions inside a bird's gut. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button if you're amazed, and subscribe for more unbelievably wild animal facts. You won't believe what we've got for you tomorrow. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being eaten and then pooped out alive? It's true. The Japanese Medaka fish has been observed to pass through the digestive system of birds and emerge completely unharmed. Scientists think their slimy, hard-to-digest bodies and ability to withstand low oxygen are key. Some even use a special, toxic mucus to deter predators from eating them in the first place. Imagine that escape. Hit like and subscribe if your mind is blown. And wait till you hear tomorrow's crazy fact. Did you know there's an animal that can regrow its entire head, including its brain and memories, after being decapitated? Meet the humble flatworm, specifically the Planarian. If you cut a Planarian's head off, it doesn't just die. It can regenerate a brand new, fully functional head, brain, and even its original memories within weeks. Scientists are studying how it retains learned behaviors even after a full brain transplant. Imagine the possibilities for medicine. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more insane facts. Tomorrow, we're talking about a fish that builds a home from its own snot.